Today is Groundhogs Day, so we are going to read this special Scholastic News all about Groundhogs Day. So Groundhogs Day is February 2nd every year. Busy, busy groundhog. Now, if you have your Scholastic News and want to follow along, go ahead, or you can just listen to this and look at yours later. This groundhog is busy. It eats and eats. Groundhogs eat everything in this picture but one thing. Can you guess what it is? So take a look at this picture. What do you think the one thing it is that it doesn't eat? All right, let's see if we can find out. All right, busy in every season. As you read, think of one thing a groundhog does in each season. Busy in the fall. The groundhog eats and eats in the fall. It prepares for winter. It gets ready for the cold. It eats a lot, so its body will have a thick layer of fat. The fat will help it get through the winter. Busy in the winter. The groundhog hibernates all winter. It goes in a deep sleep. It does not eat all winter long. It might not look busy, but its body is working hard. It is turning the fat into energy. The groundhog needs energy to stay alive. Busy in the spring and summer. The groundhog is really busy in the spring. First, it wakes up from its long winter nap. Then it eats and eats. Some groundhogs have babies in the spring too. In the summer, they eat some more. They take care of their babies. The babies grow up. I wonder, what do groundhogs eat? They eat leaves, grass, snails, twigs, flowers, fruits and vegetables. Groundhogs don't eat bees. So that's what the answer was from the first page. They do not eat bees. Groundhog body. Look at the diagram of a groundhog. Then answer the questions. They have a flat head, you can see right here. Their teeth never stop growing. Can you imagine that? They just keep growing longer and longer, but that's why they gnaw on things. Their tail is hairy. The hairs stand up when groundhogs are scared. They use their sharp claws to dig. 1. Which body part never stops growing? Go ahead and fill in on yours. Which one doesn't stop growing? 2. The hairs on their stand up when the groundhogs are scared. Oh, and I forgot to read this too, sorry. Tail, teeth, head. So that's for never stops growing. And down here where the hair on their stands up when they are scared, head, tail, claws. Number 3, which body part is flat? Head, teeth, claws. Remember, you can go back to your diagram and look if you don't know one of those answers. So we have a bonus right here. Groundhogs dig burrows. A burrow is a home for a groundhog. Which part of their body do they use to make a burrow? Do you think it'd be their tail, their teeth, or their claws? So if you want, you can take a picture of this so I can see how you did.